Shadow Puppetry. So, what are shadow puppets? And how do we make a shadow puppet show? Well, shadow puppetry is considered the oldest form of puppetry in the world. It began over thousands of years ago in China and in India. Many of the old shadow plays depict folk tales and important cultural stories, legends of the past, and religious epics. Often, the ancient plays show a struggle between good and evil. The old shadow puppets were created by flattened pieces of leather. They're pounded with tools to make holes in which light can go through. In China, in Indonesia, and in India, shadow puppetry is still used today. In fact, shadow puppetry is used all over the world. Here is an example at the Center for Puppetry Arts of how they have created shadow puppets using an overhead projector. Do you see how they projected the shadows up on a screen? These puppets are laid flat, and then with the use of a mirror, the projector is able to project the puppets up on a screen. So every shadow puppet show uses screens of some kind, puppets, and light. Music also usually plays a very important role in shadow puppetry plays. The words and the music and the images of the puppets all come together to create a shadow puppet show. Now I'm going to show you a very common and simple way to make shadow puppets. This is the way that I make shadow puppets. I use a strong black piece of paper or just a strong piece of paper where light will not go through it. And I use a light color pencil that will show up on the dark paper and a pair of scissors. Then I sketch out my design with a yellow pencil and I cut them out. These puppets are all one piece. They were all cut out of one piece of paper. But sometimes I make puppets that have moving parts. And so this mermaid's tail has two different parts to it that I've attached with some pieces of wire, and they move across the screen in a way that makes it look like she's swimming. And sometimes I add color to my shadow puppets or to the setting, just like in this one. So I would love to take you on a little field trip into a small part of my studio where you will be able to see a small shadow puppet theater. So come on in. All right, young authors and puppeteers, this is a shadow puppet screen that I have used. I've used everything from old white sheets to plexiglass to thin pieces of paper. You want to use any kind of material where light can go through. The other thing that you need is a light source, and I love these clip lamps, so that's what I use. I just set up my light. Then, of course, the shadow puppets. As you saw earlier, mine are made out of paper. You can make any kind of character, any setting. You press the puppet against the screen. And there you have a shadow puppet show. You can see here that this puppet does not have any moving parts. So when a character is taking action or talking, it's important to move the puppet so the audience notices them. This is a carriage puppet. This is a transportation piece that the princess would ride in. Anything is a puppet. A car could be a puppet. Anything that you make come alive is a puppet. It's fun to make puppets out of your imagination. Well, I hope you know now what is shadow puppetry and how to make a shadow puppet show, from the ancient art of puppetry to something you could do in your own living room.